Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. My name is Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders. Thank you very much for joining this live. We have CPI coming up in just 1 minute and 20 seconds. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. We will change it to the 5 minutes. Once the CPI will be out, we will change it to the 1 minute. Here we can put the 1 minute and the SPY 1 minute. So let's see, futures holding inside this option channel, and the 5 minutes you can see some kind of a downtrend, short-term head and shoulders that can take us all the way to the 52.24. Let's see how market will react to CPI. Once again, you know that anything can happen. If you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to trade reports, if this is not part of your plan, just close all your positions and wait for the market reaction. This is the most important thing, how the market will react. Say hi, don't be shy. Good morning, good afternoon. How are you this morning? How was everybody doing this week, this May? We are already halfway into May, already almost half of 2024 is almost behind us. Are you ready for the second half of 2024? Now let's see. One and CPI numbers coming up. Look at this SPY 1 minute. Look at this, how the SPY futures reacting to the CPI numbers. Look at this. Wow. CPI numbers. Let's see, where can we find the CPI numbers? Of course, we can find them in the X. CPI numbers in line. CPI is in line. Month to month, 0.3, year to year, 0.4. Very good. And the market reaction is going up. We are heading north. Careful chasing this, because the first 15 minutes, anything can happen. We saw it yesterday after PPI came out. We saw a flash to the downside and then slowly grinding up. Today, we can see the opposite. We can boom to the upside and all the way to the 52.90 area, to this upper red trend line, and then back down. So do not change, do not chase. No FOMO, ladies and gentlemen, no FOMO in the first 15 minutes. First minutes is over. We can see SPY is heading north for now. SPY 0.63 to the upside, QQQ 0.8, IWM 0.7, Dow Jones 0.5. What else do we have? Tesla 2% to the upside. We have also AMD 1.5. Overall, good reaction. Bitcoin also popping to the upside, holding above the 61,600. Now pops to the upside. Let's see if Bitcoin can stay above this blue trend line. Do not chase. No FOMO. Hi David. Hi Hagit. Hi Amir. Thank you very much for watching and joining this video. Who else is out there? I see you out there. Say hi. Don't be shy. Let's see. Now, it all depends. You see, never chase. Look at this. Never chase the first 15 minutes. We can assume all the way to the upper red line and then some kind of a pullback. This is all we can do. Sit and wait. So, how are you this morning? Let's check some SPY for now. Breaking into new all-time highs. 526.50. We can put the FTI on our chart. Next resistance is the 532. Mira, good morning to you too. QQQ. Also pre-market new all-time highs. Next resistance is the 458. Dow Jones also almost new all-time highs. Needs to break above the 399 and then we will see 404. IWM. Can we finally break above this 210, 211 area, and then we will see 216 and 219. Bitcoin, we saw. What else do we have? Tesla pre-market. Look at this. Tesla pre-market. 2% to the upside, all the way to the upper yellow zone. Now needs to hold on this yellow zone, and next will be the 190 and 205 to the upside. Hi, good morning, Zorik. How are you, my friend? What else do we have? GME pre-market. Look at this. GME pre-market is down 7%. AMC down 8%. COS down. Another meme stock, COS, down 13%. And we got some kind of a relief. Look at this. Now let's see what will be the continuation. Can you talk about DRS? Yes, I can talk about DRS. DRS we talked about yesterday, I think, or Monday. We talked about DRS, and we said the DRS is, as long as DRS is above the 2240, good to go. Long continuation. Now above the 23, we will see 24 to the upside. And for those who don't know, this is the Fibonacci Traders Discord. We have trading floor in English for day traders, for swing traders, options, crypto. We have the same thing in Hebrew. Day trades, swing trades, futures, general chats, all under one roof. So make sure you join the Fibonacci Traders Discord today and become a part of an elite group of traders. As you can see, we are sliding down. Do not chase the first 15 minutes. All is good. Now, retesting the 52.54 will be healthy. We can also take Fibonacci from yesterday's lows to this high, because the current candle is still open, so we cannot use current candle's highs. And as you can see, Fibonacci extension together with the red trend line 52.90 is the next major resistance. Hi Aniv, hi. NEP for Zorik. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you are here, say hi, don't be shy. NEP looking good. Let's wait for the FTI to calculate for us the next support and resistance. Next era, Energy Partners, LP, bullish on all time frames. Looking good. Breaking above yesterday's highs. Next resistance is the 35.60. Above it, 38, and then going into this gap over here. Let's see. Overall, the first reaction is over. This was the first reaction. Now let's see how the market will react. Overall, CPI numbers came 3.4 versus 3.5 previous. So, at least no rate increases. This we know for sure. Now, it's the only question, can we get rate next week, next month? Can we get rate decrease? This is the problem. This is what the market wants. The market wants certainty. The certainty now is the real no further rate hikes. But can we get rate cuts? We need to see. I presume that later today many Fed speakers will talk about it. Not Mr. Jerome Powell, I assume, but many other Fed representative will talk about what should be done. So brace yourself for a very volatile day. So what else do we have? We're looking at SoFi. SoFi tight price action. I'm waiting for a break above this blue trend line, entering the yellow zone above the 760. We can start taking long position. And when I say we, I mean the Fibonacci Traders Discord. SGML also from 2 weeks ago was on my top stocks to watch, breaking above the 1580. And as you can see in the past few trading days, super tight price action holding above the 1685. I'm waiting for long continuation above the 1843 towards 2020 and 2260. What else interesting we have? NEO also 7% yesterday, still struggling with the yellow trend line, as you can see over here. NEO now another 2.5% to the upside pre-market, establishing, basing above the 570. We can start taking long on NEO, but be careful, end of the month in 2 weeks, NEO have earnings. I will put NEO on my watch list. What else do we have? Lululemon, let's see what's going on with Lululemon. Nothing much. Natural gas. Natural gas, as we said, there are no open gaps in futures, and natural gas is going to close this gap at the 241, and then we can expect pullback to this gap over here. Gold starting to curl back up. KDP, let's check KDP. KDP, Kruger Dr. Pepper. Who drinks this? Seriously, who drinks Dr. Pepper? Very, very, in my opinion at least, cannot stand the taste of Dr. Pepper. Cannot. KDP anyway, holding above the 33.20, and the resistance is the 34.50. Above it, we will see 36 and 38 to the upside. FSLY. Let's see FSLY, nothing much. Amir, nothing much. I hope you're not long on this one, because it looks very bad. Very, very bad. Nothing much on this name. Short below the 783 towards 6 and 350. Futures continue to slide back down, and we said do not chase the first 15 minutes, because as we saw yesterday after PPI, we got a flush to the downside and then boom to the upside. Today, for now, it looks like boom to the upside and then sliding back down. Let's check Fibonacci on this candle. We're already 50% retracement on this candle. Let's see if we can get a bounce off this candle. This is how Fibonacci works. This is how price reacts to the Fibonacci levels. We can be like this, we can be like this. You see? Super accurate. Super. What else? NVO. Where is everybody today? Where is everybody today? NVO. As long as NVO is above the 130, above this yellow zone, you're good to go. Next resistance, 133.40 and then 137.50 to the upside. ALGM. Let's check ALGM. ALGM, nothing much. Zorik, my friend, sorry to disappoint. I don't see anything here. If any, you want to go long, another day breaking and closing above the 29.20, and then you can start slowly building your long position, but be super careful from this blue trend line. Careful. For now, nothing much on ALGM. Hi Avi, thank you very much for joining. Look at this. Look, this is the SPY 1 minute. We drew Fibonacci on the first candle. like this. Look how Fibonacci reacting to the Fibonacci levels, or from the swing low. Much more accurate. Resistance, support. Let's see, can we break above the 526 and then back to the 526.76? This is how the SPY looks on the 1 minute. This is the first reaction for the CPI. CPI came lower than previous month, which is good news for the Fed. Why? Because no rate hikes in the near future. Now it all depends, can the Fed and will the Fed decrease rate cuts? Will they cut the rate? What else do we have? CADL. CADL. Candle Therapeutics. What is this? What is this? It looks like a meme stock. Volume. What's the volume on this? Yesterday, 500. Anyway, it's holding nice above the 925. Bullish on all time frames. Long continuation above the 1143. And then you will see 1414 and 1762. I want to continue watch this. Interesting. Price action, new all-time highs in the S&P. What do you think from here? What do I think from here? I don't think. I follow price. I use Fibonacci, or in this case, the FTI, the Fibonacci Traders indicator. Next resistance is the 531.80, and then all this future resistance to the upside. For now, price is stuck. As you can see, 525.37 is the support, 526 is the resistance. All we need to do now is wait for the market to open. And one second. And if you still don't know, this is the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel, where you have videos every day. Stock market recap in English and in Hebrew. Stock market recap in English, I post it around 12 a.m. Eastern time, and the Hebrew version, it's around 7:30, 8 a.m. Israel time every day. 2 videos, one in English, one in Hebrew, and on weekends we have top stocks, we have weekly market recap in English, in Hebrew, so make sure you subscribe. Let's grow this channel together so we can become the most interesting and helpful YouTube channel for traders, technical traders. Playlists. We have several playlists, but how Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist, 39 videos on how to become a better trader, 38 videos on how to become a better trader on the technical side and on the psychology behind trading. It's free. It's Fibonacci Traders Academy for beginners. So before you start taking any paid service or any paid course, just check the Fibonacci Traders Academy. It's especially for beginners and also not so for beginners. So check it out. Check it out. It's free. Now SPY wants to break above the 526. Now what else do we have? Dell. Did you hit the like? Hit the subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Help me grow this channel. It's free. It is free. Dell basically looking super good. Very good. Bullish. Now pre-market at the 140. Let's check the FTI a little bit tighter. Look at this. Towards the FTI future resistance, the 140.60. Above it, 148 together with this trend line over here. End of May, Dell have earnings. Last time earnings, March, Dell went up, gapped up. VRT continues to grind up on this yellow trend line. I don't remember when we drew this trend line, but it's still holding. And as long as VRT is stuck to this trend line, whether from the downside or from the upside, it doesn't matter. As long as VRT is stuck to this trend line, the way is up. Now the resistance is the 100, above it 107, 117 to the upside. Now we got ourselves the bounce all the way back to the 526, and as we said, next resistance on the 2 hours will be the 52.90 to the upside. Now, with your permission, what else do we have? Anything else interesting? Ask me anything, ladies and gentlemen. These lives are for you. Just ask me anything. And if you're here and still don't say hi, say hi. Do not be shy. In English, in Hebrew, just say hi. I want to see you all participating. These lives are for you, ladies and gentlemen. I want to help as much as I can for each and every one of you to become a better trader, to make better decisions. And if you don't know, my name is Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders. I'm already 7 years plus of experience in the trading. I'm day trading, swing trading, using only Fibonacci in trend lines, as you can see. Not even volume, nothing else. No EMAs, no RSIs, no MACDs, just Fibonacci and trend lines. AVGO for Ofra, hi. Very nice to see you here. Thank you very much for joining. AVGO finally broke above this trend line. Now let's see continuation towards the 1432 and then 1495. I will put this also on my watch list. This is why I love these lives, because you also give me great ideas, great setups. AVGO, great setups. Let's see continuation above the 1381 and then 1432 to the upside. PayPal, what's new with PayPal? Nothing much. As we can see, nothing much. I had an alert to go long on PayPal above the 68. For now, it's not relevant because it's already at 65. All this area, let's clean the chart. All this area, this blue area, holds the higher lows. But if you ask me, I don't see any long for now. Let's check the weekly. Nothing much. Nothing much. Let's check Fibonacci. I don't see anything here for long. Maybe 2 days above the 65. Only a weekly close above the 65. Maybe above the, also above the 66. Only a close above the 66 in my opinion. Then we can start taking long on PayPal. Until then, nothing much. Sorry. So what's the SPY? We have now a double top scenario on the 1 minute on the futures on SPY pre-market. Careful, this double top, if it will get validated, it will go back and close this gap at the 523.63. Why? Because we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. By the way, if you want to elevate your trading journey, you're more than welcome to join one of the Fibonacci-Traders paths. We have the one-on-one live mentorship with me, 4 sessions, live on Zoom. I will teach you everything that I know, how I look at charts, how I analyze, how I trade what I see, for swing trading, for day trading, for longs, for shorts. Of course, lifetime access for all Discord channels. And you have the same thing. The online expert course, you have the same thing. But it's pre-recorded. It's 6 hours, maybe more, pre-recorded. And now we have also extra 13% discount on the English and on the Hebrew version. We have the ultimate membership, which is lifetime access for all Discord channels, plus the FTI one-time payment, and you will get lifetime access for all Discord channels and the FTI. If you want, we also have the one-on-one call with me one time, or the gold membership, which is a monthly payment for all Discord channels. And we have the FTI. If you want, we have the FTI plus the gold membership, or just the FTI. So we have several paths that you can choose from. Just choose and you will see results almost immediately. JKS. Also, all the links in the description below. We have links in Hebrew, we have links in English. The description is in English and in Hebrew. So it will be very easy for you to choose your path for financial freedom with the Fibonacci traders. JKS yesterday broke the 2630 area. Now let's see continuation. Above yesterday's highs, we will go 28 and 30. Overall, JKS looks very good for bullish continuation. Good morning, Miss Lital. How are you this morning? So, any other questions? Any other requests? If you still did not hit the like, the subscribe, please do. It will be much appreciated. Let's grow the channel together. Help me grow the channel so we will become the best channel for technical analysis and how to make money. In the end of the day, we are here to help one another to see things different so we can make money. Okta. Let's check Okta. Breaking above the 99.65, we will see 102 and 105. I had an alert over here. I will reduce it to the 100. Breaking above the 100, I might start taking long on Okta towards the 102 and 105. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, if no more questions, no more requests, I want to thank you all for joining this live. I do appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time, join me this live. Thank you very much. Until the next live, until the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day.